The Brahman bulls arrive at the facility, representing the critical first step in the modern processing chain.
Keep moving, let's go. Straight ahead. Straight ahead, easy now.
Here at the facility, the Brahman herd is moved through these sanitized corridors, ensuring peak condition and safety.
Por aquí, vamos. Cuidado atrás. Ya está listo.
Guide them left, towards the blue markers. Confirmed. The hydration gates are open.
All right, easy now, big fella. Let's get you settled in the chute.
Heart rate looks steady. We're getting a clear image on the ultrasound now.
See the cystic structure here on the right ovary?
Yes, consistent with the high hormone levels we saw earlier. Heart rate is strong, slight murmur on the left side. Noted. Entering data now.
This section is spotless, ready for the next stage.
Perfect. The texture is exactly right.
The consistency is holding steady at 98%.
Good, we can increase the flow rate slightly.
Check the flow rate on unit 3.
It's steady. The color saturation is spot on.
How are the readings on the grain?
Flawless. Approving the sheet now.
We should adjust the curve here by 2 millimeters for a cleaner stitch line. Agreed. That maximizes the leather yield on this hide.
check the diameter at 0.3. Looks exactly 22 millimeters. Good. Proceed to cutting.